Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiusan ba ako dinadala?
Bawat ngiti biglang nabura, iyong naipinta. Hiwaga ng iyong tingin nang naalipin, kahit saan man madala.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin.
Order for Gray.
Sa hindi inaasahan, pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nandugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Di pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinubon niya ka.
What if I told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name? My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling, and I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind, I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can hide. What if I told you that I've fallen? What if I told you that I've fallen? A heart-shaped arrow through my chest. I'll make you breakfast every morning and make you up when you're a mess. I know that I won't ever stop. You know I'll be there when you call me, whether you like it or not. Without a warning, now I'm falling for this picture on my phone.
Hello?
Hello, who's this?
Si Grito.
Okay. Hi.
About nga pala sa kahapon, pasensya na. Dumating kasi yung kapatid kong galing ibang bansa. Tinaya ko siyang magkape.
Really? Kapatid mo yun? Nakakaya.
Gusto mo mag-date ulit bukas?
Sure.
Indulge your senses at Tuscan Cafe, where every cups tell a story. Savor the rich aroma of fresh ground beans as you step into our cozy ambience. From velvety lattes to robust espressos, each sip is a journey of flavor crafted with passion. Welcome to our new favorite coffee retreat, Tuscan Cafe.
Halipag, talaga ang gagana sa iyong tingin. Alam mo ba, naiisip ko pa rin mga gabi na magkatabi. Oh, ang tangi kong hiling kahit sa panaginip na lang. I'll take this as a chance to give you all the time that you need. Sinta, okay gandang umibig sa'yo. Ako'y maghihintay sa iyong pagdating at tatanggapin kita. To live the stars tonight, we could kiss a bride. Ikaw ang bulaklak.